Take a ride in the 2022 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, privacy glass, fog lamps. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.